Hello everyone, welcome to Clever Brain YouTube channel. This is 2nd September. We are going to cover all the important questions for the day. For each and every question I have given explanation, so please watch complete video carefully. In the last, I will ask one question, you need to answer in the comment box. Guys, if you need PDF of daily current affairs, you will get it in my Telegram channel. Please join, I have given link in the description. So guys, without further delay, let's start. When did International Day Against Nuclear Test observed? Correct answer is 29th August. Which bank to receive Human Capital Management Excellence Award 2020 for its HR initiative Nayi Disha? Correct answer is SBI. Who attended Sports Ministers meeting of BRICS nations? Correct answer is Kiren Rijiju. Andhra Pradesh Gramin Bank entered into a strategic partnership through VC to offer life insurance with whom? Correct answer is Canara HSBC OBC Life Insurance. Which force launched Pensioners Corner mobile app for its pensioners? Correct answer is CISF. What was India's rank on global list with average monthly wage of 32,800? Correct answer is 72. Who addressed inaugural session of World Urdu Session? Correct answer is Ramesh Pokhriyal. H. Vasanta Kumar, Member of Parliament, Kanyakumari Lok Sabha Constituency. Founder and Chairman of Vasanta & Co. Founder and Managing Director of Vasanta TV, Tamil channel. Passed away, belong to which political party? Correct answer is Congress. Which Indian coach penned his memoir titled Pitching It Straight, which is co-authored by sports journalist M.S. Unikrishnan? Correct answer is Gurucharan Singh. Bryan brothers' successful doubles pair of which game announced retirement recently? Correct answer is tennis. Which state government launched Major Dhyan Chand Vijayapath Yojana to build roads to 19 international players' houses? Correct answer is UP. Who became the first Indian origin woman to honored with a memorial blue plaque? Correct answer is Noor Inayat Khan. In partnership with which department UNDP launched Sustainable Finance Collaborative to promote sustainable finance in India? Correct answer is Department of Economic Affairs. Athletics coach Purushottam Rai died a day before receiving which award? Correct answer is Dronacharya Award. Which country launched most advanced warship type 054 class for Pakistan Navy? Correct answer is China. Who discovered the accelerated formation of the stars of dwarf galaxies? Correct answer is Eris. What percent of UN peacekeepers are women? Correct answer is 6. India granted fourth tranche of 5 million US to which nation? Correct answer is Myanmar. Singapore commit to further enhance security partnership with which country? Correct answer is India. Which Asian India economic ministers consultations held recently? Correct answer is 17th. Question for you guys. The science dealing with the study of teeth is? Guys, please write your answer in the comment box below. Guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more interesting updates.